Hello, everyone. Here we are at week 15. I know that a lot of us have had very stressful semesters, so I just want you all to hang in there. We're almost there to the end of the semester. So, first, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your final theory papers. They've all been graded. You can redo them, but you must let me know if you're going to redo it, and the paper must be submitted by Saturday, May 5th. There is no exception with this. I suggest you get these done as soon as possible. I would turn them in today or tomorrow and just have it taken care of, because if something comes up, a family emergency, there's technological issues, I'm not gonna accept it late because it's past the deadline now. So this is a courtesy that I'm offering you. Make sure that if you want to redo it, you get it in by Saturday. Some of the areas that you all struggled with are diversity issues. A lot of you made very sort of generic comments about how diversity should be appreciated and respected and counselors should be open, and that's all really important. But I want to know specifically, what are some pros and cons to your theory as it relates to diversity? What are some things that, using your theory, you have to be aware of? And then counseling goals was something else. A lot of you all talked about some general goals. I want to know about counseling goals that are specific to the theory that you're talking about. Everything should be specific to this theory. Some of you all lost points for the interventions as well. I want interventions that are specifically related to that theory. Every theory in our book talked about interventions and techniques, so I want to hear about some of those in your papers. You can redo this again, but make sure if you're redoing this that you are going through the guidelines that I've provided for you and you're making sure that you're answering those questions. I have a few papers that completely missed the mark and that didn't seem to use that outline. So I suggest that if you are one of those people, you get back in there and you check that out. The final exam will be multiple choice 75 questions. You'll only have an hour to take it and you can take it once. So the hard copy will be made available via Blackboard on Monday, May 8th. The exam will also be opened at that time. You can look at the hard copy, you can make any changements or adjustments or write any notes and get ready to take the exam by Tuesday. Now, remember, you can only take this once. So if you open Blackboard and you start taking that exam, after an hour, it will submit your scores whether you're finished or not, and that will be your grade. This is non-negotiable, so make plans now. If you know you have something going on Tuesday, take it on Monday. Get your hard copy early on Monday, spend some time working on it, and take it Monday evening. If you think you might have technological issues, try it out before Tuesday morning. If it's not to me by 11:55, it will not be graded. So make plans now. If there are questions or something comes up, email me as soon as possible. My goal is to get grades submitted immediately, and so I will make an assumption come Tuesday, May 8th at 11:55 that if you have not done your exam, then you are taking a 0. As of now, your final grades, or what your grades look like, should be visible. Check now and let me know if there are any questions. If you have questions about reflections that you lost points on, different things like that, let me know now. Once your final is taken, I plan to send in grades immediately. So if you take the final and I haven't heard from you, I'm going to assume that everything is fine with your grades. Another thing I want you all to know is that I will not round grades. If you have an 89.8, you will get a B. Since there is no A minus, no A plus, no B minus, no B plus, I don't think it's fair that, someone with a 95 and someone with an 89 get the same grade. So be aware of that going into this final week. Again, check your exams, and I will do anything I can to help you. Continue to email me, continue to let me know if you have other questions, and I will try my best to address those. Thanks, and have a great rest of the week.